Right, Tequila Dave here. I've only just done this twice, but I found if you get a sharp, pointy, stabby thing, you can undo the double lock on these relatively easily. So I haven't actually done this cuffed yet. So let's do it like those down and that makes it easier to do the double lock. There we go. 1, 2. Double locked. Right, stabby pointy thing. Now let's think, which way do I need to go? I need to go up there somewhere, like that. Was it like that? Ah, there we go. I think that's the double lock picked. See if I can use the same pick to actually open it as well. I've got the ball pick down there if need be. Let's try and do it with this one. Actually, no, that hasn't double lock come off. Okay. No, it hasn't. Let's try that again. Going that way. And go like that. Maybe I should have practiced this a little bit more, but what's the fun in that, eh? Let's see, so if I was, yeah, so it needs to be like that, doesn't it? There we go. Okay, that's the double lock done. I'm pretty sure it is, because I can see the little bit that's come out. Now I've got the pick stuck. Typical. Right. Okay, so let's just try and use the same pick. And about there-ish. Let's just make sure that is actually, yeah, that is double. I'm going to use the other pick just because I'm a bit more used to that. Still picking it open. I hope that doesn't validate the rules. Oh, nearly there. Come on. So close. I feel it's right there. There's definitely double locked. Oh, I can hear it clicking, so I'm getting it, but I'm slipping off or something. Try turning it around the other way. There we go. Well, finally. Okay, so let's do this side as well. So if I was to be doing it, I'd be going like that. No, stop. So, do sort of that. There we go. I think that's done the double lock. Yes, it has. I'll try and pick it left-handed. Come on, last bit. There we go. Cool. So that Shackleman number 4 complete with what's that? A half diamond and a ball pick to keep the Dave out. Hope that counts.